Hi there, Sacha Liddiard here, and in this video I'm going to show you a really simple way of increasing your interest targeting on Facebook when you're doing your Facebook advertising. Now, Audience Insights is a fabulous tool, but sometimes you just need to find more interest and even just to get yourself started. I haven't got a clue of where to get started on interest. This is really going to help you, and then it's going to give you some great ideas for more interest for the future. Now, my ideal customer is me. All right, if I could clone myself and find more people like me, that would be brilliant for my business. And if that applies to you, this is really going to help. So when you see on your newsfeed, you get an advert coming through, it says sponsored here. All you've got to do is click on these three little dots here and click on why am I seeing this? And then you will get the interest targeting that they've used in order to reach you. So here they've used digital marketing, so I'll pop that down into a spreadsheet and do some more research later. Sometimes you'll find it's just that you've come up because you're similar to customers that they're already using, so that that will prompt you to remind you to do lookalike audiences. But you're going to get some great ideas here. Interest targeting you've never even thought of before. I've had some fantastic ones coming through, didn't even know they existed, so it's really going to give you some good ideas. So hopefully you found this useful. If you do, please share it and subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Facebook page, and you'll get more of these videos coming your way. All right, that's it. Bye for now.